Two religious concepts. The Sumangot. Among the Vergouwen, the spirits of deceased ancestors occupy a particular place, especially the spirits of those who in their lifetime became rich, had power and material goods, and whose descendants are many. These spirits, the Sumangot Nyopu, the revered spirits of the ancestors, desire to be worshipped and honored with offerings in order to continue to be active in promoting the welfare of the descendants of these ancestors. Then they will be able to make the harvest thrive, increase the wealth, multiply the cattle, grant many children, and protect from disasters. But if they are neglected, they can cause the children to die, the harvest to fail, the cattle to fall sick, and similar catastrophes. The data determines from an oracle whether a particular disaster emanates from a wrathful ancestral spirit, a Sumangot Natarimas, and receiving confirmation. He then decides on the nature of the sacrifice that must be made. Sometimes the spirit reveals its wishes and desires through a medium, the Sibaso, who is possessed by the spirit on a special occasion. In the larger and small lineages, people regularly make sacrifices to the common ancestor. When they partook of a meal and the gondang was played, the offering tibal was customarily placed on one of large side rafters, pangubari, of the house in which the ancestor formerly lived, and when the head of the group probably still dwells. These ancestors were powerful and important people during their lives. Then their Vergouwen are also powerful and important in the spirit world, and respect for them increases as the ancestors' descendants and their influence grow, and vice versa. For the childless Namate Punu, the position is totally different. They enter the spirit world as solitary ones. They can never be remembered with offerings, so as a small compensation, their next of kin give them a large funeral to cover the cost of which a great part of the assets are used. In Toba Holbong, a fine small house, Joro, was built for such people as a last dwelling place. The Opu Paksadat of a great lineage, however, is held in as great esteem in the spirit world as he is in the mortal world. Each time his bones are reburied in a new grave, it is with greater splendor and a handsome tomb. At the present time, made of cement is erected on his final resting place. All the members of the lineage assemble at such a Hogja or Turun ceremony. The Tondong are invited and the Bonaniari Agniala fetched from afar. The ceremony can go on for days. In olden times, it could continue for months, for it is an important event for the lineage with numerous members and a large number of buffaloes and cattle are slaughtered. Exhumation of the bones of the deceased ancestor, Mangokal Holy, must be accompanied by the gondang and a salvo of guns. The Bonaniari provide the clothes in which the bones will be wrapped before they are carried away, and the oldest Vergouwen supplies the food that will be offered to the bones. It also carries the beer to the new grave. Offerings are made. There is dancing and eating, and a great number of spectators flock to the ceremony and enhance its glory. The hula groups bring the ulos gifts. The Bogo groups make the piso contributions, and finally, the chiefs, kinsmen, and vines receive the portion, jabar, to which they are entitled of the animal that was specially slaughtered for the occasion.